Hello and welcome back to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I'm your host, Uncle Bill, and this is not my kitchen. But that's okay, guys. Don't worry about it. We're going to get this thing done. I wanted to let you know about a recipe that I love. It's spinach, it's creamy sauce, it's got wonderful seafood. What is it? Stay tuned to find out. Hello and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Any time of the week, you can make this. I'm telling you, just give it a shot. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please consider hitting that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to subscribe. It lets you know every time a new video comes out. Have a great day. If you'd like to support our channel, please consider becoming a patron at Patreon. And if you'd like to buy me just a cup of coffee, see the link in the description down below.